get to ABC 10 News reporter Marie Coronel, who is live in Alpine this morning. Marie, this is another day of possible power shutoffs because of the strong winds.
Yeah, Virginia, so I checked the SDG&E website. There are still, more than 15,000 customers without power. And depending on what the weather does, more people could be added to that list.
When we get any sort of notification that the power is going to go out, we do everything possible that we need with the power.
That was Anna Maria Kent, who runs Cleveland Cafe in Alpine with her mom. Like many business owners, they are once again preparing for more power outages as another widespread red flag warning is issued in San Diego County. SDG&E is preparing to cut the power through Wednesday to avoid power lines sparking a blaze because of high winds in the East County. At last check, there are more than 15,000 customers without power and another 35,000 that may lose power depending on the weather conditions. News that has Anna Maria preparing to make tough decisions.
If the cafe does lose power, we do have a generator at home, so we'd probably prioritize the business over the home.
Now, the SDG&E website is also saying that those customers that have already lost power, they are not expected to get their power restored until tomorrow evening. Live from Alpine, Marie Coronel, ABC 10 News.